Last week, I shared a video with you that I talked about the biggest mistake that people make when they run out of air while they're swimming. I gave you a quick tip on it. That video's in the notes here. Go ahead and pop in there if you haven't seen it. Today, I'm going to continue that because I said the most important part that people miss is the third step. So I wanted to give a little more time to that third step. When I see people who are panicking and freaked out in the water, there are times when they just make up something new on the spot. Nobody taught them how to press down on the water and get their face out of the water. I hear this story quite frequently. I had this near drowning incident and I got out of it somehow. I never learned how to swim, but I got out of it somehow. This is because the body does know how to do things that the brain doesn't know how to do. So the solution when you are actually out of air is to make up, how the heck do I get up and get a breath any old way that is possible. When you're out of air, step 1, focus on your hands. Step 2, get air any way you can. Step 3, this is the one that everybody misses, is the pause. Why pause? Without the pause, you cannot feel the air that you got. This is where we continue to go down the rabbit hole of pushing and pushing and pushing and frantic, and we get less and less effective. You want to focus on those hands, push up, get some air, and feel it. Have it. Be with that air. You have more buoyancy now. Things can slow down. We can start to bring the locus of control back. When you stay in the emergency part of your brain, then you keep pushing, you keep grabbing air, even though you don't need it. Knowing how to interrupt a panic cycle is essential to our safety in the water and out of the water. If you've ever had an argument with somebody and you find that you continue to be arguing with them, even though they're not in the room anymore, it's just causing your mental wellness to suffer. We have to know, we have to use things like learning to swim to increase our mental fitness and our mental capacity for the water and for life. Hands are what move us in the water. Air is what we need. Pause is what you need for growth. If you need help in the pool or in life to create that pause, I am here for you for your mental fitness and your swimming journey. Aloha.